Chime Credit Builder is a secured credit card product designed to help users build credit history without requiring a traditional credit check for approval. By the end, you'll know how Chime Credit Builder works, who it may help, and what to consider before deciding if it fits your credit goals. Chime Credit Builder works differently from a regular credit card because users move money into a secured account and use that amount to make purchases. The amount available is based on the money placed into the secured account, which helps limit overspending. The main purpose of the card is building credit history through reported payment activity. For someone who has limited credit history, or is trying to rebuild credit, having an account that reports responsible usage can help create more information on their credit profile. The biggest factor is how you use the card. Making payments on time and managing your spending are what make a credit building product useful. Chime Credit Builder does not work like a loan where you receive borrowed money and repay it later. Instead, it uses your own deposited funds to support your spending while helping you establish credit activity. Before signing up, check whether you meet the requirements, understand how the secured account works, and review the current features available through Chime. You should also compare it with other credit building options, including secured credit cards from traditional banks. Different products offer different features, fees, and account structures. The right choice depends on your current credit situation. Someone with no credit history may value a simple way to start building credit, while someone with established credit may need a different type of account. A credit building card is only one part of improving your credit profile. Keeping balances controlled, paying accounts on time, and maintaining good financial habits are still the foundation of stronger credit. The main points are simple. Chime Credit Builder is designed to help users establish credit history. It uses a secured spending model instead of traditional borrowing, and its value depends on responsible account management. Your next step is to check your current credit profile and compare credit building options before opening a new account. If this helped you understand whether Chime Credit Builder is actually effective, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward reviews of financial apps and services.